Oh, hi. Welcome to our new fixer-upper. Good? So, this is probably what I'm most excited about in this whole house, is just having this two-car garage. There's a lot of potential in here, but all this stuff that you see in here, this is all whatever they don't want to deal with moving or whatever, just leave it in the house and we'll deal with it. And they did, so they left all this stuff. It's not as much as it looks, but we're gonna have a dumpster dropped off, and some of it, a lot of the the better furniture and stuff, we're gonna be able to sell or give to people that refinish this kind of stuff. But a lot of it is just gonna go into that dumpster. But I'm really glad the rain held off until pretty much until we got the entire dumpster loaded, and then it started raining kind of at the end there, but it's really coming down now. Alright, well, got our washer and dryers back in here, which is nice. And originally, I thought I was going to have to run a wire up and down because there was a gas dryer installed. So there's actually what looks like a dryer outlet already there. It's just the wrong kind of plug. So I went ahead and picked up the right kind of plug, and we're just going to swap that one out with this one. So now we'll be able to get this stuff hooked back up now. That'll be nice. The plan is going to be to refinish these floors, and I'm fine just pressure washing these and just getting the floor real clean for now. I mean, epoxy floors are cool, but I'm not in a hurry to do that. But it definitely needs to be repainted, everything repainted, probably new trim there. Definitely needs some more lighting. And on this wall, this is going to be just kind of like a workout area. I'm not sure what's going to go on over here yet. Then on this side is going to be mainly tool stuff. So there'll be a big wooden tool bench there. Not tool bench. There'll be a big wooden workbench over here. And this will just be mainly kind of a workspace where you could set up a table saw and just chop saw and all that kind of stuff. And so yeah, I'm excited to dive in and start organizing in here and making it a really functional workspace. Washer and dryers going great. The only thing I did wrong, like an idiot, I put that plug upside down, so it should be the other way so that the wire's going straight down. We've got pretty big plans for what we're going to do in here, but we have to kind of pump the brakes a little bit and jump to other projects. And I'm also building a chicken coop right now, so that'll be a video coming out pretty soon. And we've already started some renovations on the inside of the house, on one of the bedrooms. So we're just going to take it one room at a time, one project at a time. But we're definitely excited to just document everything, try to show how we do everything, and I know it's exciting, so looking forward to it. So stick around, and I'll see you in the next video.